Sanibonani, my name is Tepiso Msesonga Namogela with channel yami, and if you're a regular it's T-Squad. Thank you so much for coming back by, and if you're new in the channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T-Squad. Okay, Namogela guys with channel yami. Namhlanje I'm doing my eyebrows, 2025 eyebrows. Asawenza my eyebrows abe mnyama guys. Seswenza kanj simple, clean, natural look. Okay, so yeah guys, let's get right into the video. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Yeah, please subscribe, tell your family, your extended family, to subscribe to my channel. Love you, T-Squad. Bye. Enjoy.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it your way. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around.
Get your life, little mama, won't you get your